Hello everyone. Today we'll be introducing you to some of the basic features of the DMSS mobile application, which is used to remotely access our E-Series equipment. To view your cameras in real time, you'll need to find the name of your device. Then tap on the play icon to the right of the name. If you wait a few moments, the video feeds to all of your cameras from the selected device will display. To view video playback, you'll need to tap on the three lines and select Video Playback. You'll then tap on the plus and select the camera of choice. You may also change the date and use the time bar to get the time of the incident or event. Snapshots or exporting videos can be accessed by going to My Files. To do that, first go to Me, and then My Files. To export and save your smartphone's photos, press and hold the selection and tap the middle export icon. If you have multiple locations with multiple cameras, and you'd like to view them all at the same time, you can create a favorite view with the preferred cameras. To do so, go to Home, and then Favorites. Then select Plus on Create Favorites. The application will ask you to name this custom view. Then it will ask you to add channels. Select the cameras you want to display on this view from different locations, or if you want to just change the order of the channels. And that's all for today. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or want to learn more about our security products and services, give us a call or visit us online at securitycameraking.com. And as always, have a great day and stay safe.